everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in Oneamour dating site. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your preferred web browser to get started. Go to the URL box and type in Oneamour.com and press enter. Oneamour is an online dating platform that aims to connect individuals looking for romantic relationships, friendships, or casual encounters. Once you find yourself in the official web page, you can start off by creating a new account by entering your name and selecting your gender and clicking on continue. But if you are here to log into an existing account, click on the login link at the top of the screen. In the email text box, type in your correct email address and enter your password. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. After filling in your credentials, click Login and you'll be able to log into your Oneamour account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.